everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install tag editing application on your smartphone. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, if you are on iOS, then open your iOS store, and if you are on Android, then open your Google Play Store. Once you have opened it up, you will see a search bar on the top left corner of your screen. Type tagged. Tap on the search icon on the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you find the app, tap on Install button. Wait for the installation. Once the installation is finished, tap on Open. Now you can create or log into your account, and that is how you can easily download your tagged application on your smartphone. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful, and if it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss our upcoming video.